Hello, I am Fiona from ShiFio's Patterns, and today I'm going to show you how to double crochet. For reading patterns, the double crochet is abbreviated as DC. I will be making the double crochets or DCs into the starting chain. When doing double crochets into a starting chain, you start in the second chain from the hook for the first one, which is right here. There are two ways to do double crochets into a starting chain, and I will show you both. Okay. So you put the yarn over the hook, you twist to catch it and pull it through the chain. Then you put the yarn over the hook again and twist to catch it and then pull it through both loops. And that is your double crochet made. The front and the back of a double crochet looks pretty similar. I'll show you again. Put the hook into the next chain, yarn over the hook, yarn over the hook, twist to catch it, pull it through the chain, yarn over the hook, twist to catch it and pull it through both loops. Hook through the chain, yarn over hook, twist to catch it and pull it through. Then you do yarn over the hook, twist to catch it and pull through both loops. Second way of doing it is to put it into these bumps on the underside. These can also be used to make the double crochet into. So you put your hook through the bump or loop, yarn over the hook, twist to catch it, pull it through, yarn over the hook, twist to catch it and pull it through both loops. So again, put it through the bump or kind of the back loop. Okay, I'm going to show you here. You can see the difference between the two methods better if you look at the underneath of the original chain. Okay, so the first bit where I made the double crochets into the loop from the chain, it looks a bit twisty and not so neat. And then the bit where I made the double crochets into the bump loop of the back, if you look underneath, it is lovely and flat and it mirrors the top of the double crochet. You can see them side by side here. I will continue and show you some more. I'll be doing it again into the bump right there. So hook through the bump or loop, yarn over the hook, yarn over the hook, twist and pull through, then yarn over the hook and twist and pull through. I hope this video has helped show you how to make double crochets, or the 2 ways to do it into a starting chain. If you've liked this video, please like it, share it, comment below, subscribe to our channel for more videos, how-tos and patterns. Thank you for watching.